So we're currently on the way to the barracks. Been there before. Apparently someone tipped a Sherp on its side. So I got Landon and Randall with me. Hi. We got enough guys, we got manpower. We'll go get it tipped over, see what we can do for it.
Have you ever seen a Sherp?
I have.
Okay, so you're familiar with it.
I am. Oh, I know where you're at. What does it have to hook to?
That's the problem. So we got these bumpers there, but there's really nothing up high.
Nothing up high. Well, we'll get it back up and get some air out of the fuel, and then it'll run. So, all right, we'll go get them.
Thank you.
Figured out. See you guys.
Little ice road truck.
God, we'd have been muddy already with the no fender situation on the FJ. Plus, if it gets late on us, this has got a heater that works.
To make the heater work,
I'll see if I
you have to hook the air hose up there
and
and bring the air blower up and blow through the heater.
Yeah, and if we end up wet.
Yeah, that heater could come in clutch for us there. Trying to figure out how to get it out of here without hurting it.
Well, I think we've done some pretty good damage already.
It looks like you kinked it a little bit.
Yeah.
So did it just kind of roll over in slow motion, or did it come over kind of quick?
It actually stayed upright, really, on a pretty steep angle. We were, a guy here was here with a razor, and we were trying a couple tactics to try and get it just turned facing this way, because it was just at this angle. And we decided to winch it from passenger side bumper just to see if we can slide that front end around, and we had the other end kind of held back, and instead of sliding it just buckled.
Oh.
So the tire buckled under, and then it was just a slow motion kind of. So yeah, at least it landed in a sandy spot.
Yeah, exactly.
One kink of the rock, but yeah.
So, not familiar with these. Can you kick them in neutral and they'll roll?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, the winch point you have is just on the bumpers. So
I think I can put my truck right up there and come down over the top of it. Or if we can pull on the axles. We can throw a rope around that and pull straight back that way and maybe get it to tip up and roll down. If we hook down there maybe and back around, get it to pivot up that way. We'll get the truck up there and get some ropes stretched out and see what we can do. We'll pull on a little, that'll tell us.
Walker ain't working.
There's the pressure in. The light comes on, but nobody's home in it. Let's see if we can figure this out. If the color comes out of that, let me know, okay?
Okay.
Is it in park by chance?
it's in gear.
It's in gear,
Yep.
so when I tip it on its wheels, it won't roll away? It'd be my luck. I think we can pull it this way. It'll come right around. I don't think we're going to have to pull real hard. It's going to come up pretty easy here.
Let me double check this here.
around. Now we just got to figure out how to get it back out of here without tipping it back over.
Now you're dealing with what we were dealing with an hour ago.
Yeah.
This is where we were trying to pull it right here. I was just trying to slide this front end down.
Exactly.
Just tire buckle under.
So is it skid steer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe just let this top side skid and see if it'll go around, and I'll just let the winch out.
So you're staying hooked on there, right?
Yeah, I'm going to stay hooked on. And as it starts going, I'll just let the winch out and let you come around.
Well, this is the first recovery we did on a Sherp.
Yep, sure. I've never even been around one until right now today. They're pretty awesome.
That tire's buckling.
Yeah, it's trying to tip it over that way. All right, well, let's redo here. I'll just hook onto the back of it and see if we can pivot it. Trying to pull my truck. Land, jump in that and hold the brakes and start it. We'll see if we can slide it up and get that tire straight. Yeah, it doesn't want to sit down. Come stand on this tire right here for a second, handle. I need to unhook it and see if I can get that
Out from under it.
Need it like right there. Moving that truck. Doing it a little. Little at a time it's going. Do I dare unhook it and hook to the back and see if it'll pull it around? Alright, we need to get it
Out of gear.
How do you run this situation?
Just stick shift right there if you're trying to get it neutral. Put it neutral and the parking brake's right behind it.
So, one brake's for one side, one brake's for the other side?
Correct.
That tire's not as bent over now. We could try starting it right now. We're about to get it to slide right here. It's only gotta go. It's
You got
slipping. If we can get it to slide, we got it.
You can try to start it.
Let's see if it'll make sure it's clear.
Straight, now go straight. Go straight.
How's the windrow?
Good?
I'm not pulling him off the hill?
No. These ones underneath might be getting cut up.
All right, e-brake is on.
Dude, that was great.
Now we gotta try to get a rope out of the tires.
Right. Back on wheels, that's good.
Got her.
First Sherp recovery. Nice
First
job,
one
guys.
ever.
She's not even all that beat up, really.
I think it's fixable. It didn't even break the windows, actually.
Yeah.
Which is surprising.
Wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Other than I had to be in the truck that was getting pulled over the edge.
You a little nervous?
A little.
I wasn't gonna pull you over the edge. Doesn't look like it hurt things too bad. I mean, wrinkled it a little, broke your mirror.
Yeah, I think that's fixable. It dinged it up pretty good, but hopefully we can get a body shop to
I'm sure they can pull it out. It's heavier than I thought it would be.
about 51 minutes.
Yeah. And they still float. That's crazy.
Yeah,
Yep.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Thank you.
It drives and.
So,
All right. Well, you guys have a safe trip.
guys
he said.
are awesome.
He said he was going to get the truck and trailer.
Yeah. So we just, this road takes us to the end of the trail, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. This will take you right to the highway, and you'll meet him before you get to the highway.
All right, I appreciate it, guys.
No problem.
Thank
you guys be
you
safe.
so much.
You guys have a good one.
FJ would have been easier, just because it's an automatic. We could have locked her in low in park and winched on it. But Yoda did its job. I got the crash course on driving it as I got in. Give me a minute, I can usually figure anything out. I can drive. If it's got wheels, I can drive it. They're on their way out, so.
Yeah, you guys are good. All right, so just keep going down the road.
Keep going down the road, and you should run into him before you hit the gate.
Thanks.
We'll see you guys. All right, we're just enjoying some jerky here on the way out. We got that Sherp tipped back on its wheels, and all's good. They said that they were fine, they could come out, so we're headed home. Go finish some stuff in the shop, but thanks for watching.